If you already own a bike, why spend a fortune on a brand new e-bike? That's where Kamingo comes in. This compact e-bike converter is designed to turn a normal bicycle into an electric bike without replacing the wheels. And honestly, the idea sounds pretty impressive. But is Kamingo actually legit? Or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's take a quick look. Kamingo uses a small friction drive motor that sits against the rear tyre. The first installation takes around 3 minutes. After that, the motor and battery can reportedly be attached or removed in about 10 seconds. The motor is rated at 250 watts, but it can reach up to 750 watts of peak power. There are also 3 riding modes: assist, cruise, and standby. The battery is another interesting part. It has a 266 capacity. Kamingo claims up to 90 kilometers of range in assist mode. That sounds good for daily commuting, and the whole system weighs around 2.3 kilograms. That's seriously light for an e-bike conversion kit. But there is one thing I would watch closely. Kamingo uses friction against your rear tyre. The company says its pressure adaptive system helps maintain grip and reduce tyre wear. But long-term durability is still something I'd want to see more real-world testing on. Also, some features and speed limits depend on local laws. So, is it a scam? From what I've found, Kamingo appears to be a real product, not a fake gadget. It has been independently reviewed and received significant crowdfunding support. But I wouldn't call it perfect. For city riders who want a lightweight and removable e-bike setup, Kamingo looks genuinely interesting. For heavy off-road riding, I'd be more cautious. Overall, Kamingo looks legit, but its long-term performance is the real test.